In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Shopify. This is an essential task for anyone looking to streamline their marketing efforts and boost their online store's performance. With this integration, you can automatically sync your customer data, create targeted email campaigns, and improve your overall customer communication. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First up, we need to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is your go-to destination for all the tools and apps that can enhance your Shopify store's functionality. Once you're there, simply search for the Mailchimp for Shopify app. It's crucial to find the official app, as this ensures compatibility and proper functionality between Mailchimp and your Shopify store. Once you've located it, click on it to open up its page, providing you with more details about what this app can do. Next, you'll see the option to Add App. Click on this button to begin the installation process. This step is straightforward but critical, as it kickstarts the integration between Mailchimp and Shopify. Clicking Add App will prompt your Shopify store to start downloading and setting up the app. But hold tight because we're not quite done yet. After initiating the installation, you'll be guided through a series of prompts to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account already, this is the perfect time to create one. It's vital to use the Mailchimp account tied to your store emails and campaigns to synchronize all your existing data accurately. Once you've logged in, you'll need to authorize the integration. This step involves permitting the app to access and manage your store's data on your behalf. Don't worry though, it's a standard procedure to ensure both Mailchimp and Shopify can communicate effectively. Upon successful authorization, the integration is complete. However, it's a good idea to take a moment to explore the new functionalities and services now available through the app. You can start syncing your customer data right away, which will allow Mailchimp to track and analyze your audience, helping you design more precise and effective email campaigns. Additionally, make sure to configure any necessary settings that tailor the app's operation to your specific needs. Now that you have Mailchimp successfully integrated with Shopify, you're ready to leverage the potential of targeted marketing and customer engagement to drive sales and growth. Remember, a well-maintained list of subscribers and a strategic approach to communication can significantly impact your store's success. So take your time to experiment with the numerous features Mailchimp offers, and most of all, enjoy the enhanced connectivity between your Shopify store and your email marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and happy marketing!